can tell like where the fireworks are coming from because they're coming out of there and a cloud of smoke going on.
Whoa.
I don't think it is either. I didn't even notice my phone was there. I still my phone on it.
Wow. This is bullshit.
It's fine. I still did it in the snow. I remember I would drop it in the snow every day. Is that bad too? It's an awesome way.
Wow. I didn't see that coming. Oh.
I'm just putting this out there. Brian made a mistake not coming this way.
Yeah.
That's okay. You girls are hilarious. You know that? You're just one of a kind girls. Just saying. Nobody likes you guys. Nobody. That's a good thing. Oh, you're trying to get fireworks behind you? You're trying to get fireworks behind you,
Yeah.
Jeff?
You have to just hold the button down. Just hold the button down. Are you holding down?
I like taking them a little bit crazy.
I'm taking I just took 18 pictures. Okay.
There's gotta be fireworks in one of them. Remember how hard it was for you and me to do that?
We were trying to take a selfie.
This is dark. like
Hold on, there's no
record the like movies in the movie theater.
Oh, that's
So, like, I got this movie Hairspray, even though I already had it on DVD,
Mm-hmm.
and I went to put it in, and this person has like these people like walking in front of me. I'm just like, what is the point of this? What was the point of you making this?
Should be in jail. They should put in jail, bro.
Exactly.
Those are criminals.
Like that's illegal to do that. Like,
Yeah.
I was just standing in front of the TV. My dad's like, "You're not a window, you're a door." Same thing with my brother. He was so tall.
It's beautiful.
I know, isn't it?
Yeah.
Matapos na ito si W, takbo ulit.
You ever been to
Alas 12.
Diba?
Oh, yeah.
Shit, takbo na kailangan ko ito.
So always make sure it's calm.
Sayang yung
Otherwise,
3 hours free school.
that's-
Nakapatong ko na dito sa ano, to level 200.
Hindi, mano yung 200 mawawala.
Kaya nga, mawawala pa rin yung quiz, hindi. Nakatikit pa rin.
Basta pag dito lang ba nakatouch pa rin. Men,
Ha?
dito lang ba nakatouch pa rin?
Hindi nga.
Yeah. Boy,
It's
fun.
like sit here like
Sad.
because you're used to doing everything all night.
Shit to relax. Yeah, too much stuff, you know?
Exactly. I feel in charge because when my parents get in a bad mood and I ask them, "Hey, what's up?" They're like, "Go do this." I'm like, "Okay." It's their way of calming themselves.
Yeah, better not to bother.
But my mom will have days where she just sits there and stares at us while we're doing our homework or whatever. And she'd be like, "Oh my god, we are not cooking anymore." And then she'll just sit there and cry.
Uh-huh.
I've never seen my dad cry, but I
Yeah, weekends are emotional like that.
didn't get my dad cry at my graduation, but
Like the guys, they don't want to show. Like,
exactly, my dad
they
sure
feel.
didn't know
But inside of that heart, it's crying out loud. It's dying.
Yeah. Same thing, like I've seen my dad drunk, but I never seen my mom drunk. I'm like, "Mom, why was you drunk?" She's like, "My dad said that too."
Sad. Right, right.
My high school graduation present, my dad gave me the back
Right.
and he sat home. Yeah, like even if he hates you,
That is good. Just keep it going.
I like that one that was like right up here.
Here we go. seen them a lot. Orange, blue, green, and red. Mostly red. Yeah. Actually, in the Philippines, every December, like the last day of December, we do fireworks. Like, yeah, celebrate like the New Year's. That's how we celebrate it. Like we do fireworks.
Every country be like that. Just like every country come together and watch fireworks. Just like
Yeah.
New Year's or New Year's, everyone does their own thing. Mostly, it's probably the worst time to be on the road because everyone goes out and drinks. Like I just watched the Black this year we get to do real champagne because we all turned 21.
Nice.
Yeah.
It's the only thing.
I really don't feel anything.
Eventually, you will feel it.
Close by, play kickball, and they look at me. They're like, "How old are you?" I'm like, "I'm 20." They're like, "We thought you were like a teenager or something."
Yeah, that's
My
true.
birthday, everyone's like, "Whoa."
Until you were like 18.
You're like this one dude, and me and Eddie were in a bowling league, and we went to bowl early, and this other kid was bowling early, and they're like, he's like, "I'm gonna guess how old you guys are." I'm like, "Okay." So he was 21, and I was.
Oh yeah, we were like about 17 or 18.
Yeah, we were about 17. He thought I was.
Yeah.
He thought I was like 15 or 16 or something.
Yeah, it's really hard to tell.
Like people look younger than they really are. It's weird.
Yeah.
Like my uncle's 50 years old. He looks like he's 42. Like everyone will look at me now, like at work, because everyone, all their parents are like 50, 60 years old. And
Right.
they tell me like, how old are your parents? I'm like, well, my dad is 46. He's gonna turn 46, and my mom's gonna turn 43. They're like, wow, you're getting too young. I'm like, yeah. Well, my mom was 22. There you go. Yeah, like my dad actually sat me down one day. He's like, "Thank you for the life." If it wasn't for me, mommy and dad being born, my dad would not have the job he has now.
Oh, what job does he have?
I almost got I mean, usually I'm thanking my dad for my life. They brought me along.
Yeah, right. Yeah, be thankful with your head. Good burn. Today's just a
Okay,
perfect day.
That was cool. Like TikTok.
Yeah. I got it recorded. They said this like an hour or something? 45?
Well, it started at 9. So it's supposed to last till 11.
Oh,
And then all the roads, and then they have all the exits closed till 11:45 so people can leave.
oh, there you go.
Oh, here we go.